Azadi Tower is one of the most important symbols of Tehran and Iran, often recognized as the gateway to the city. It is located on Shahid Hemat Expressway in the west of Tehran and was designed by Hushang Seyhun, one of Iran's most famous contemporary architects. The tower was built to commemorate 2,500 years of the Persian Empire and serves as a prominent gateway to Tehran. Azadi Tower combines Iranian Islamic architecture with modern elements and stands approximately 45 meters, 148 feet tall. It is mainly constructed from reinforced concrete with a white marble facade featuring decorations and motifs inspired by ancient and Islamic Iranian architecture. The interior includes an elevator, staircases, and galleries for cultural and historical exhibitions, and the top offers a viewpoint to see the city of Tehran from above. Inside the tower, there is also a museum, which we will showcase in the next part. Azadi Tower, now about 52 years old, is one of Tehran's most important cultural and historical landmarks, attracting many visitors annually. It is recognized as a modern symbol of Tehran and the city's gateway, representing the culture, history, and identity of Tehran.
دقیقه